when you want to draw the male reproductive system, you have to follow some very simple steps. Don't get harassed by the complicated diagram that you see in the book. Start from one end, like you can first draw the testis, which is just an oval body. This is inside a scrotal sac. This is the scrotal sac. This scrotal sac is continued as the penis. Now, this side also there is a scrotal sac and the testis. Fine. Now, what? From the testis there is a part which surrounds a part of the testis, the epididymis, which continues as a tubular structure called vas deferens. Now, this is nothing but a tube like structure. Now, this tube like structure actually opens into the urinary bladder. Here also you can draw like this, first the epididymis and then continued into the urinary bladder. Now, here this vas deferens and the urinary duct, they combine together and it forms the urinogenital duct. So, this is the front view of the reproductive system. Now, let us label it. Testis, vas deferens, N, scrotal sac, urinogenital duct, penis. Now, why we call it urinogenital duct? Because this duct is common for the transportation of sperms and urine. But this does not mean that sperms are released in urine. That is not true. These two acts are independent of each other. So, when sperms are produced from the testis, they come into the epididymis where the maturation of sperms takes place, and then through the vas deferens they come into the urinogenital duct. So, when there is physical contact of male with the female, these sperms are released inside the female body. So, this is about the male reproductive system.